I am Jed from GDK Veneering. On a few of my other posts that I've been putting on, we've been showing you different work at various stages from veneering to cutting hinges on Jaguars. Well, this is a Rolls Royce. Now, I know I posted pictures of it. The difference is this time it's all been flatted and it's all been polished. So this is the end result. Before, it had just been sprayed, so it had like an orangey peel because we have to put the lacquer on in thick layers. So all that's been flatted, hard blocked, and now it's all been polished with different waxes, and you can see that it looks absolutely stunning. I must say so myself, the veneer, how it shines, it looks absolutely gorgeous. You can see it there. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is going to be going back to one of our customers. Now, because of the frames and things like that, they are going to come and pick it up because things like this can get damaged in the post. So if you are, please send these jobs. If you send them in through the post, make sure that it's in a wooden crate because otherwise things are going to get snapped and damaged. And that's the last thing we need it to do once we finish doing our magic on the wood. So like I said, I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. This is just a few zoom up shots of the actual veneer because of how good it really does look. Please click like, share and tell your friends. And remember who I am, Jed from GDK Veneering. Bye bye.